Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday, 1st of February. A new month is upon us. And if you're not into the Discord, guys, join us in the Discord because here we are with Bitcoin channel. And people like to talk about Bitcoin. Some share their ideas, opinions, and what's going on. Just crypto community that I'm trying to build for you guys. Okay, that's gonna be the home of the crypto. Now, here we are with Bitcoin update once again, and we saw a small positive progress that is going to the upside. But today's update is going to be so important. I'm actually going to talk about some few important things to talk about. And it's like we were forming some sort of an ascending triangle here that potentially could take you to $43,000 if it goes to play out. But at the moment, you are still making a fake out nonetheless, okay? There's a fake out coming in. So I'm actually going to give you the technical target. So this is the height to the bottom of that ascending triangle, and wherever you're breaking out, okay, if you break out of it, then you're looking to go to 43,573, which is this given price target right there. But you can see right now that this move to the upside just went up and now it's coming a little bit down, okay? So you could still potentially do something like breakout, fake out, and then you go down, and the next target is going to be 33,525 if you make a fake out. Now there is still no volume, and there are chances that you can be making a fake out because fake outs have happened before as well. We saw Bitcoin before making some double bottoms like this, but they still didn't play out, okay? And the reason why I still think there could be a fake out, of course, go to tradingview.com, draw up this chart with me, okay, along with me. The apex is coming by 5th of February, okay? Anything can happen. It could still go like this, come down, doom, 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 then break out and then go to the upside, okay? Or by 5th February, you go down, up, down, then boom, you actually squeeze to the downside. And that's my take, basically. I do think we're going to be making a fake out and then you drop to the downside. I don't think we're going to go to that $43,000 anytime soon and early anytime soon. Now, what if you do go? Because of course nothing is guaranteed by the end of the day. This is called trading, not a guaranteed income. Okay, there's a difference. So basically, I want to talk about the what is the situation on the weekly if you do go to $43,000. I'm going to tell you. So I'm actually going to remove this drawing right there, the ascending triangle right there, and then the price target right here. And here we are on the weekly time frame. Yeah, so let's say this week you do go to nearly $43,000. Amazing, amazing, because you're going to be putting in a morning star, and that would be amazing, right? That's the first scenario. But what if you just put a doji right there, okay? Because what you saw here is a bullish harami pattern candlestick, okay? What you saw, this red and this green, is bullish harami candlestick pattern. So let's go and do a quick Google, and then I'm going to write in bullish candlestick, bullish harami candlestick patterns. Right, so here we are with bullish harami, and I'm going to show you the images of this one so that we could understand what is going on. So here we are, and that's just how it looks like. There's one more here. This is how they look like, okay? So you see a red candle and a green bullish candle. Now if you see another green candle, that's going to be a morning star, right? And then you have this green candle, exactly something like that. But this has already played out, in my opinion. Look, you still went above this candle, okay? This candle that you see, a small candle here, is a little bit above, higher than this one, because this one is a closing of the highest point was 38,919. The highest point of this one was 39,100, which has been made today. We went to $39,000. So it could be that you just played out like this and you end up making a bear flag on the weekly again, okay? Or you just make this doji, the next candle goes down and you make an evening star and you continue with the fall. And that's possible. Do you know why? The reason why is because if you go into the monthly once again, and that's the reason why I'm going to title this video that take hints on the monthly time frame and the altcoins as well. So on the Bitcoin, you have something known as 3 black crows, okay? And this is being pretty much confirmed right now. When you see 3 candlesticks back to back opening up like this, that's bearish. It's not bullish. On the monthly, it's bearish, which means February still has a dump pending. just candlestick reading at best. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually tell you what this looks like. Let me, what am I gonna type right now? What the hell, I just forgot. Yeah, three black crows. Here we are. I'm actually gonna open up three black crows, and the one that I actually want to see and explain to you is this one. Now look at this, what happens. So when you're in an uptrend and go up and up and up and up and up like that, I don't know why this image is getting blurred at the moment. What the hell, man? When I'm really serious doing something, it likes to do. Uh, yeah, so here we are. So when you're going in an uptrend and then you see first candle is red, second candle red, third candle, and you could potentially even go to the downside from here. There's one more thing though, you have to take hints from the altcoins as well. So it says invalid symbol. I'm actually looking for Luna to USDT. Right, here we are with the Luna, and let me talk about Luna and the reason why Bitcoin is actually going to dump basically and not give an up price is because you see, Luna hasn't met the technical target of itself. First of all, on the monthly, you have the bearish engulfing candlestick on the monthly. Okay, so taking a hint like this of the setup of different altcoins can give you an idea. If I dive in into the daily, you can see a rising wedge that actually the technical target didn't met because the technical target is to the $36 and that hasn't come yet. So it's very dangerous to say that Bitcoin is actually giving us any uptrend at the moment. No, it hasn't given us any uptrend, okay? This could be a trust building moment for you to enter high so that it can dump you to the downside. And Luna also has an head and shoulder, left shoulder, head and right shoulder right there. And we've already broken out of the neckline. I'm going to show you. So after breaking this neckline from the top to the bottom, wherever you're breaking out, look, that takes you to $36 and the technical target has not been met. So there is shadiness in what Bitcoin is doing, and you might still drop to the downside. So guys, be very careful. And for us to actually flip bullish, at least on the daily, I'm going to bring in the EMAs very quickly and tell you that wait for confirmation of the 10, the 20 and the 55 making a bullish cross, and that's when it will be very, very safe to enter. And what do I mean by this? Just like we saw in July, the month of July, you made a bullish cross like this and then you continue to the upside. Wait for that bullish cross and back test and then continue to the upside as well. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.